In this guide, we're going over how you can invite players to your clan here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is super simple, but you do have to be a clan leader, co-leader, or have permission to invite players, and there's two main ways to do this. The first method is through your battle log, so go ahead and open up Clash Royale, and up in the top right corner, select the three lines, just like so. From here, you're going to see a battle log option. Essentially, go ahead and find someone that you either won or lost against. For example, we'll do this guy right here because he's got 8,200 trophies. Essentially, select him, hit view profile, and then, of course, from the profile, you'll see an option to invite to clan. I'm actually not a member. I just promoted one of my subs in my clan. So, unfortunately, I can't do this right now. But that would be one way. You'd also be able to invite them specifically just by, holding down on them as well. Now, the second is through the clan tab itself. So, back out, hit the little social tab, hit it again, and then hit the clan tab. And then up at the very top, you're going to see where mine currently says leave, an option to invite. Simply select that. Go ahead and choose any of your friends or search for someone to invite to your clan, and it's going to send them an invite. And as soon as they accept it, they'll instantly join your clan as well. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.